This is Hasina Parveen, CEO and Editor-in-Chief of World Growth Forums. Welcome to WGF iTalks. WGF iTalks is World Growth Forum's series on worldwide interviews of passionate people from varied professions and fields who have contributed in some form or other towards nation building in their respective countries and who have been generally working towards creating a better world. Today, I am in talk with Dr. Ajay Desai from India. Dr. Desai has an impactful global presence. He has achieved a lot within both in national and international spheres. Instead of me opening all the cards, let's hear it straight from Dr. Desai, what an ace he is. As usual, I would try to unravel his thoughts and philosophies and what lies ahead in his life through a session of questions and answers. Hello, Dr. Desai.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good
this
afternoon.
is Dr. Desai.
Good afternoon.
Ajay
How are
Desai
you?
here.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm fine, madam.
Let me start with the questions, please. I would try to explore for our viewers your exciting achievements, your impressive work with Government of India, and how you have managed to wear several hats at the same time.
Yeah, just first of all, thank you, viewers. I'm just giving my introduction. My name is Dr. Ajay Desai. Basically, I'm a double graduate, double masters, and double PhD. I did PhD in management as well as I did PhD in higher studies.
Awesome.
So I spent around 37 years into overall corporate management, systems.
Lovely.
And basically, I was working with Bajaj Auto earlier. Then I was working with the Kedila Group. And since 22 years, I am into this field. In 22 years journey, I have so many world records on my name. Awesome. My name has been already registered in World Book of Records.
Lovely.
My name is there in Linga Book, Asia Book,
wow,
India Book, and so on.
Lovely.
Okay, so my overall record is, I have conducted highest corporate training in the world. I imparted 7,000 plus mandates training. So I stood more than 56,000 hours.
Superb.
So it's a record, and I trained more than 3.5 lakhs executives throughout
Lovely.
the world.
Lovely.
More than in more than around 50 countries.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Actually, I would ask you to introduce yourself, which you have already done. Thank you very much. So,
yeah.
You are a renowned global leader with varied achievements. Your hard work and professional excellence have been recognized in various countries, including France, the UK, Vietnam, the US, and many more. How do you embrace success?
Yeah, madam, success is a different thing, but for me, but everything, counts hard work, sincerely, if your commitment towards your work.
Yes.
So that is very, very important thing. So I'm very much committed person. I'm workaholic person. So that's why I've gained this kind of lots of achievement in my life, because, you need to, concentrate in your work. Basically, I'm fully concentrated in my own, work. Like especially I'm a quality consultant. So my name has been already, registered in so many, magazines, newspapers, and all. Yes. Why? Because I'm a committed person. So I can also, have done lots of things in my life, and due to my commitment, my sincere efforts, my hard work pays everything.
Great. Your professional experience is very impressive. It's not only the number of years as it consists of more than 35 years of rich experience, but the variety of roles must have also helped you shape yourself into an expert. Your experience spreads through various fields such as technical and management consulting, education, awards, sales and marketing, and so on. What do you feel is the most important lesson that you have learned as a professional?
Yeah, basically, I have given lots of training and lots of projects in various areas. So my core competence is a quality management system. Okay. So basically, we prefer quality because quality is everything. I can say. So my core competence is, I have conducted training in various areas and projects we did in quality, ISO,
Okay.
basically is a TPM, TQM, Six Sigma, and various factors and various, because I have team full of team with me.
Okay.
Okay. So looking to my profession and looking to my core competency, we are more and more focusing on quality areas. So throughout the world, we are promoting qualities, because quality is everything, and everybody wants, after all, quality. Because it is said that the quality word is the highest spoken word in the world,
Lovely.
the corporate world.
Lovely.
So quality is yeah.
You have conducted more than 7,000 training sessions in various fields, creating an international record. What are these training sessions about, and how you have managed to train more than 350,000 corporate executives, CMDs, and CEOs globally?
Yeah, looking to my consultancy experience of 22 years, you can see I have 2,000 plus clients in my kitty.
Oh.
So almost every second is my training, madam.
Lovely.
So nobody in this world is a trainer has got every second day training. So that's why I got this kind of records, and looking to this 7,000 training. So 7,000, you can just count, ma'am, 7,000 into 8 hours. My training day is 1 day. So 7,000 into 8 means 56,000 hours I stood for the training.
Wow.
And still it is continuing.
That is great. That's really great. Yeah.
It is very, very difficult. So somebody is having, lots of meditation and yoga and all, then I can do that, because I'm 58 now.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
To stand up for 8 hours and to control these participants is very, very difficult, because I trained most of the CEOs of the company.
I'm sure, but you are managing.
Yeah, I'm managing it.
Yeah, you have been working with the government.
Most of India's and world CEOs has been trained by me.
That's great. You have been working with the government of India for several years as an approved and recognized qualified principal consultant of ISO 9001 QMS by Quality Council of India. You have also been fully involved in Mission India Quality Movement by Quality Council of India. Please share about the Mission India Quality Movement and your role in it.
Yeah, basically, I'm a principal consultant of Quality Council of India. So Quality Council of India is directly under Prime Minister's office, PMO's office.
Right.
So our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi's mission is a Mission India Quality Movements. So I'm fully involved in Mission India Quality Movements by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So I told you, I have 2,000 plus clients. So I'm promoting these quality movements throughout the India, because we wanted to be, competitive throughout the world. So this is the reason we are promoting quality in India, every corner of India, I can say. So on behalf of Government of India, we are doing lots of work. I'm a principal consultant from Quality Council of India. It's a government body. It controls ISO body. It controls, basically education institute. It controls certification bodies all over the world. So these all activities controlled by Quality Council of India, and I'm instrumental, because there are very few, only seven consultants are there who are appointed as a principal consultant. And I'm a principal consultant since 15 years.
Wow.
So I have lots of contributions in quality in India and throughout the world.
Lovely. Please share about the FAME Times International Excellence Awards in general, and also about the upcoming ceremony in Dubai.
Yeah. So FAME time. So after my lots of years experience, 35 years experience, I have so many contacts, and I have so many you can say what do you call it, my corporate clients. Okay. So we have initiated one international award called FAME Time International Award. It's a registered company, LLC company, and we wanted to promote corporate, individual, and some experts in their own field.
Okay.
So FTI award is basically, our main mission is we have to recognize the corporate clients as well as some individuals, as well as somebody has their own contributions in economy, society, and some kind of environment, safety and health. So all areas we are covering, and we wanted to recognize those people who have really done something for the world, for the nation, and for the society.
Okay, great. Good to know this. Yeah.
So
You are the
mission.
All right, thank you.
And in Dubai, yes, sorry, in Dubai,
upcoming year.
Every year, and we have started in 2020. So we had we have done 2 already conferences, and our 3rd conferences will be in Dubai on 28th August. So we wanted to give it to the corporates as well as individuals, and we are calling from throughout the world who are really eligible for this.
All right. Wow.
So we are calling from around this time. We are calling from around 25 to 30 countries.
Wow, that's a very good number.
Yeah.
Yeah. You are the managing director of Quality Catalyst Private Limited. How do you plan to make a presence of QCPL in every country of the world?
Excellent. Yeah, my QCPL is already, working in more than, I told you, 25 to 30 countries already.
Yes.
So now our next mission is every year we wanted to increase at least 5 to 10 countries. Okay. So our marketing team is, working in a big way. So our marketing team, we have operations in different countries. So our marketing team is working very, very hard on this. And our mission is every five countries. So in UN, there are 195 countries. So my reach in 10 years, my reach is to go to all over the world. So our presence should be in all over the world. Great. That is my mission.
Great. We wish you best of luck. Great. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
You are a man. Yeah. You are a man who loves to wear several hats. You are the president of Trade India Commonwealth Entrepreneurs Club. You are also the global promoter and business partner of European International University, Paris.
Yeah.
What motivates you, and what advice would you like to give to the young entrepreneurs to become successful?
Yeah. To the young entrepreneurs, I'm telling you nowadays, young entrepreneurs are always busy in their mobiles and laptops and all. So my first request to young entrepreneurs, you read more.
Okay.
So nowadays their habit is not there to read. So, every day, my mission is every day I'm reading at least 1 novel or 1 magazines or at least 1 management books. So if they can, get maximum knowledge through reading only. My first message to this youth is to read more.
Excellent.
Okay. Yeah. And if you are reading more, you will gain more and more knowledge. Because I always believe the book is my friend.
Lovely. Your social endeavors have been impactful. You have arranged to plant 1 lakh trees with the involvement of various NGOs and social organizations to save environment and sustainability. What social causes are dear to your heart, and what all you have been doing to improve the society?
Yes, nowadays the environmental issue is a very big issue, madam.
Yes.
Why I'm insisting to plant 1 lakh trees. These trees will give you oxygen and so many things up to 2 to 3 generations. I used to go to Africa. I have seen the trees are they have planted the trees 5,000 years ago, and still trees there. 5,000 years ago. So in Africa, the old trees are there. So this tree will give you oxygen throughout the your life. They will give you wood. They will give you fruits. They will give you so many things in your life. Okay. So that's why you wanted to plant more and more shady trees, not small trees.
Okay.
So my mission, So even if I wanted to give this message to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, somebody told me, sir, how we can make our world greener. So I'm going to give through this media, WGF. I wanted to send you a message to all prime minister and president of all countries, that you can insist all citizens of the country that on every birthday you can plant at least one tree.
That's
In
a great
this
idea.
country, in our India, in our India, 140 crore population is there. Everybody has got one birthday every year, right? So if they can plant one tree, so in India you can plant 140 crores tree every year.
That's right.
Likewise,
That's right.
likewise in the world there are 800 crores populations is there.
Yes.
So if you can plant every year one tree, so 800 crore tree you can plant every year, man.
That's right.
So all world will become a greener. So
That's a novel idea.
WGF, this is my message.
Yes, that's
To
a
all
very novel
environmentalists
message.
also.
Yeah.
Yeah, to all president of and prime minister of the country, this is my message. Even if this message should go to United Nations through you, madam.
Why not? Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
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 What does Dr. Ajay Desai want to do next? You have achieved so much in your professional life. What lies ahead in the next 10 years?
Yeah. In next 10 years, I have so many vision in my mind. So I wanted to, first of all, I told you, I wanted to go in 195 countries. My presence should be seen everywhere. Number one. Yes. Number two, I wanted to serve the society through environment, quality, safety, education. Education play a very, very big role in this world, because I used to read so many newspaper, TVs, so and all. I have seen still population denied education. So in some countries still education is not there. If you can give maximum education to your children, to your society, definitely our world will become like something great. That is for sure. So education play very, very good role in our life. So I am always insisting, even if I train more than 3.5 lakhs executives, but I'm always in my lecture, in my training, I'm always suggesting and motivating our people to go for higher education.
Lovely.
That's why you see today, till today, I have more than 12 degrees in my kitty.
Wow.
So still I'm still at the age of 50. Yeah, at the age of 50, 58, still I'm learning and still I'm getting lots of degrees.
Great. Great.
Yeah.
Talking to you was very exciting for me, Dr. Desai. Yeah, and I'm sure young entrepreneurs would find your insight quite helpful. A man of your caliber should converse more with the youth and the entrepreneurs for mutually beneficial discussions. Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts.
I'm sure my interview will be published in more than 70 to 80 countries through WGF. Definitely. And I'm very much thankful to WGF, World Growth Funds, for giving me this great opportunity. And thank you very much, Hasina and your team.
You are most welcome. Thank you very much for sharing your thoughts with WGF iTalks and me. Take care.
Have a great time.
And bye.
Have a great time. Bye. Yeah, bye. Bye. Thank you, viewers. Thank you for everything.
Thank you.